Hi, let's make halftone dot design. First, let's have a background. Make a basic shape. I will choose ellipse. Apply a radial gradient to the shape. You can apply any gradient according to your shape. Now go to Effect, choose Pixelate, then Color Halftone. Put your value shown in the screen. It is touching to each other. Let's fix it. Open your gradient panel, double tap the black one. Now move the slider. It's good for me. Now go to Object and expand Appearance. Now open the window and select Image Trace. Now again expand the image. Remove the white background. Now you can change the color of your liking.